Welcome to a new episode of West Coast Bushcrafters.
And today it's gonna be about the Condor Pictus.
Kjetil,
Yes.
Condor Knives. What is our relationship to Condor Knives?
Well, you bought the Hudson Bay,
Yes.
and we thought that knife was a really good one.
It's a really good cam knife. It's robust. Maybe not the best handle, but overall it's a lot of knife for that price.
And the reason I bought this one is I thought it looked pretty cool
Yeah.
and a very good price.
Yeah.
I don't know what's in dollars, but maybe around $100 or something, a little bit more.
Yeah, I think Condor generally make knives in a nice price range.
Yes, and the top end knives are getting very expensive.
Yeah.
I like the sheath. Oh, looks very nice.
The sheath sticks out, I would say.
Yeah.
Good.
And here we have some arrow heads.
That's super cool.
So I think we're gonna make an episode where we make a bow and arrow and really make this one fly in the air. And it's 3 arrowheads comes with the sheath.
Cool.
Very nice. Nice feature.
Oh, that's special.
Yeah. So now we have seen the knife. Condor from El Salvador. So I think it's time to do some... Time for some specs. Well, now it's time for some batoning. Let's see. It went pretty well. Very good actually. But you can see it's a pretty thick blade. Wait. Well, I think it really works.
Let's see how good the Condor Pictus is in doing feather sticks. Thank you, Kjetil.
You're welcome.
Well, as you can see, it is a very wide blade. Let's see.
That's not a good start.
It bites in the wood. It really does that. I'm looking for those small fine curls. I have a little problem to get those. This knife tends to bite in the wood quite hard. Get some the longer, bigger curls. If you like that, no problem. If you're looking for those really small fine curls,
Then use another knife.
Use another knife or train a lot.
Uh,
The handle itself, I think the handle is a little bit on the short side. It works absolutely, but I personally would have loved that goes a little bit deeper in here.
So for feather sticking we have other knives.
I would say so.
Yeah.
You try it.
Well, now it's time for me to try to do some feather sticks. Well, it's not easy, Tim, that's for sure. You can do some curls with them, but it's not easy. You have to be very concentrated. This is not the best feather sticker that we have tested.
No,
That's for sure.
Great.
But with some practice, you can probably do some nice curls. But is it a nice fire starter? Let's check that out. Yes.
What's your impression so far about the knife?
I think it would be a great hunting knife. Or as a kitchen knife. It looks like a kitchen knife.
Yeah, indeed. It is. I think it has really good slicing capacity, and what I like is that you can hold your fingers on the side. So yeah, with meat processing, maybe most.
Yeah,
This can work really, really well.
I think so too. Let's see how good of a chopper this is. Nej, det gidder jeg ikke. Forget it.
It's not a chopper?
God, not a chopper. Oh, Jesus Christ, look at the knife. Don't chop 3 with this knife. You can see, of course we're gonna sharpen it up, but it's not gonna be easy. So it's not the best steel. But if you have a chop with it, you can use it as a saw. It goes faster. Time to start a fire. I think this spine is sharp, so let's see. Oops. Yeah. Tim, I think you have to try before you say anything. Very sharp.
Very sharp spine. Second attempt. The spine works well, I would say. Maybe not the sharpest, but it is absolutely sharp enough to get sparks and fire.
Den är skitbra det där. Ja.
Good kitchen knife.
Very good kitchen knife. Så, fint.
Ja. Here we got a quick size comparison. We have the Condor Pictus in the middle. This is the Bark River Tundra 3 cam knife. Another Condor knife, the Hudson Bay. The LT Wright, Illuminous 5, and the Taupe Recon. As you can see, I would say almost same size as the LT Wright. LT Wright is a little bit smaller, a little bit less wide blade compared to the Pictus. It's quite a big knife, a little bit over average size, I would say. The Condor Pictus. Conclusion of the day.
It's I think it's gonna be a good hunting knife.
I think so too. That's why they deliver the arrows most likely.
Yeah, that's probably it. Not the best feather sticker.
No, not a good chopper.
No, definitely not a good chopper. Actually, I'm a little bit disappointed of the spine as well.
Yeah.
I think the knife maybe is a little too light.
Yeah, it has not the weight compared to other knives we have in same size.
Yeah.
I was a little bit shocked that the
Shopping.
with the shopping that this still got damaged so much.
Yeah.
But what do you expect from that steel?
Yeah, there's 1095 steel, so it's. But I think we're gonna manage to sharpen it up.
Yeah.
Again. But the knife is gonna be a little bit smaller.
It was a good test.
Yes. So yeah. Conclusion. It's a good hunting knife and a food knife, I think.
Yeah. We bring it with you when we cut a lot of meat and stuff.
Yes.
Then it's. But next time we have to test those arrows.
Yes.
That's the next thing.
That's the next thing we're gonna do. So thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the show.
Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.
Yes. Bye bye.
Bye bye.